Hi everyone, I'm Madeleine Casey, the owner of Sparkle Lifestyle and MediSpa, and I'm beyond excited to announce that we have the first vaginal rejuvenation treatment in Atlantic Canada. It's now available and ready to share with you all that amazing technology. So I've been working in bringing that to Sparkle for the past 2 years. It's been quite the process, but it's finally there. So what's vaginal rejuvenation? And I get that question all the time. It's been like, people are just curious, and I totally get it, but it's strongly something that just is close to my heart. So vaginal rejuvenation, what it is. So first you need to know that there's different factors why someone would need this treatment. But the big ones are definitely stress incontinence, laxicity, and vaginal dryness. So those symptoms are, and I will describe it a little bit, they are it's when you do jumping jack and you pee a little bit, or you're laughing, or those little things that as a woman sometimes it's just it's annoying. So it can be coming from childbirth, just aging in general, but a lot of those symptoms are coming around your menopause. So there's definitely changes there because we have a change in the amount of estrogen that you're producing. So and estrogen take care of all those feminine little amazing problem that we have. So when we have a reduction in estrogen, stuff like natural lubrication will happen. So what vaginal rejuvenation is, there's tons of different technology available out there, but this one is really for people that are struggling with some of those symptoms that I just described, and they went to see their doctors, and maybe the cream doesn't work because you can use your let's say we're talking about stress incontinence. Well, you went to your doctor, or maybe you tried a Kegel exercise, but it's still just not strong enough, because you can have really strong Kegel muscles, but if your tissue are kind of loose or just not as elastic that they used to, you're just left, you're still leaking it a little bit. So if you're doing your Kegel, this is not working, it's just not good enough, you might be a good candidate for vaginal rejuvenation treatment with a CO2 laser that we offer here. But some people might be past that, that they will require a surgery. So that's one thing. Then you can have the vaginal dryness. It's just, you don't have the lubrication that you used to have. The intercourse might be a little bit hard. It's just painful. It's not what it used to. So that's another factor. Usually it's an estrogen problem, could be menopause or not, but that's a problem that we see quite often, and we are already here at Sparkle. We have some cream, we have some lubricant that we've been selling to her client that have problem in that department, but sometimes it's just not enough, and they're looking for to just rejuvenate everything, and that's where the CO2 laser treatment is a good option. Then you can have the vaginal atrophy, same thing. After you lost some estrogen, just the vaginal wall become a little bit less elastic. You just have that atrophy going on. So again, when it's not major, sometimes those laser treatment can definitely help. So those are the main reason why someone would be interested into vaginal rejuvenation. That's definitely the main reason would be stress incontinence and any kind of symptom attached to around menopause. One of the benefit of this treatment, it does act on the tightness, it just make everything more it rejuvenate your skin. So that's definitely a side effect of this treatment, but it's not the main reason why someone would like to get vaginal rejuvenation done. We do the treatment inside and outside. So I'm going to explain you a little bit how that treatment actually works. Well, first you need to come here and meet one of our gynecologists. We have 3 gynecologists here that works with us. So Dr. Nathalie McLaughlin and Dr. Karen Desrosiers are the main gynecologists that will be performing this treatment, and we'll also have a gyneco-oncologist, Dr. Carol Williams, that also on our team. So you will come, you'll meet one of those amazing women. They'll do a complete evaluation, consultation, you know, like setting what's your expectation, what's your goal, what's going on, what's your path, what you've done, what you haven't done. Like that whole consultation need to happen before we actually say that, yes, let's do the treatment. Though if you are a good candidate, you will be asked to, you know, come back, or depending, could be done the same day. It's a series of 3 treatments done every 4 to 6 weeks apart. And then you will, to maintain the results, you're looking at probably a maintenance treatment down the road between year 1 and year 3. That's usually what we see. It's just as soon as your symptoms come back. The treatment is really, really fast. It's something that takes maybe the actual treatment, you're looking at like 10 minutes max. It's really not painful. We do insert that like probe inside of your vagina, and it's a CO2 laser. So there's some fractional ablation in your vaginal walls. So it's almost like we're removing carrots of skin. Then, you know, your skin needs to rejuvenate itself back, boost of elastin, collagen, just like revive all those tissue. So yeah, you get like, you will start seeing results really, really fast. Can be anywhere from like the week after to like a month. And then you'll have like a series of treatments. So usually people like that are coming for really that stress incontinence and vaginal dryness are really, really happy. It's one of the treatments that I was so excited to start offering, because the feedback and the reviews, and like I've met tons of people that have done it. I've been in the States to see the procedure. You know, like it's just amazing. Seriously, I think like the satisfaction rate is like well over 90%. So in the laser world, that's just like amazing numbers. And those were actually paying client. I think like for like in the studies, like the satisfaction rate or the improvement rate was like 100%, because everybody's seen a difference in that treatment. So it's definitely something that we are excited about. Yeah, I've been working on it for a long time, and it's finally here. So if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions, and can't wait to see you in the office. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.